When teams work remotely, brainstorming together can be a real challenge. You want everyone to feel engaged, creative, and connected, even when they are sitting miles apart. That is where visual collaboration tools like Mural and Miro come in. Both are digital whiteboards designed to help teams think visually, map out ideas, and build solutions together. They are especially popular for design thinking sessions, strategy planning, and creative workshops. While they share a lot of similarities, the way they handle collaboration and creativity feels a little different. Let's start with Mural. Mural focuses on structure and guided collaboration. It is built with facilitators in mind, which makes it perfect for running design thinking workshops or team brainstorming sessions. The layout feels simple and organized, with plenty of space for sticky notes, diagrams, and flowcharts. What really stands out is how easy it is to guide a group. You can set timers, lock content so nobody accidentally moves something important, and even run activities in private mode so people can share ideas without being influenced by others. Those features are a big win for workshops that rely on fresh, unbiased input. Now let's talk about Miro. Miro has become one of the biggest names in visual collaboration, and it's easy to see why. It offers a vast canvas where teams can brainstorm freely, sketch ideas, or build detailed project boards. Miro feels like a creative playground. You can customize almost anything, layer visuals, and connect workflows to tools like Figma, Asana, or Notion. It's flexible enough for designers, product managers, and educators to all find their groove. What makes Miro shine is how it scales. You can start small with a brainstorming board, then expand it into detailed project maps, design systems, or roadmaps without ever leaving the platform. The real-time collaboration is incredibly smooth. You can literally watch other team members' cursors move as they add ideas, draw shapes, or comment on your notes. For teams that are highly visual or like to work fast, Miro feels natural and energetic. So, which one is better for remote workshops? If your goal is structured facilitation, team alignment, and quick adoption, Mural is the better choice. If your goal is open-ended collaboration, creative exploration, and long-term project development, Miro is the one to go for. Both tools make remote teamwork more engaging and human, proving that distance does not have to limit creativity. Whichever you choose, the key is to adapt it to your team's style. Set clear goals, keep the board organized, and encourage interaction. Whether it's Mural guiding a focus session or Miro sparking free-flowing creativity, both tools can transform how your team collaborates and brings ideas to life from anywhere in the world.